Good morning, students. Welcome to our class once again. Okay, let's. In the last classes, we talked about various questions from exercise 7.1, where I solved question number 1, then question number 3, 5, then 6, and today we are going to have a discussion on question number 7. As I told you earlier, that the question number 6 and question number 7 both are of similar type. While solving question number 7, what we did, we have done little bit of manipulation. Okay, now let's see the question. Next question is, in this particular question it is given that AB is a line segment. The figure is drawn in the board, on the board itself. So what is given in the question? It is given that AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. D and E are points on the same side of AB and AB, such that angle BD is equal to angle AB and angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. See the given figure. So that angle DAP is congruent with angle EBP and number 2 AD is equal to B. This is the question. Just go through the question. Now we have to note down the given thing. What are the given things? Just try to focus on the given things at the very beginning. Okay, so what are the given things here? First of all, AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. Here it is given that this particular point P, this point P, this is the point P, which is the midpoint of lines AB. AB, this P is a midpoint for the line segment AB. Okay, so this is the midpoint, means directly I can write in given part that P is the midpoint of AB. It is given. P is the midpoint of P is the midpoint of P is the midpoint of AB line segment. Okay, that is the meaning of this one is, if P is the midpoint of AB, that is AP is equal to BP. AP is equal to BP. That is the very first thing that is given. Apart from this, in the question it is given that angle BAD is equal to angle AB. Angle BAD is equal to angle ABA. Angle BAD means this one. Angle BAD means this angle is equal to angle ABE, this corner. That is B angle and A angle. Both are equal given. Apart from this, it is also given that angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. Angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. This one. EPA is equal to angle DPB. Now, the first one we have to show that triangle DAP congruent EBP. Triangle, what to show? To show that we need to show that number 1, triangle DAP and EBP are congruent. Triangle DAP congruent with triangle EBP. Both the triangle is congruent. Number 2, we are supposed to show that AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to BE. So as I told you earlier that this question is similar to question number 6 only, where we used to do what is that, for making that complete angle, what we have added say equals on both sides. This type of question, this question is also similar to it. Now let's move to the first show. What to do? Number 1, the showing procedure. Let's see the showing procedure for triangle DAP. Triangle DAP is congruent with triangle EBP. So let's see the showing procedure. So now we first, for showing the first one, take the two triangles in triangle DAP and triangle EBP. Take the two triangles and just focus on the given information. Now let us draw the two figures separately for understanding point of view. DAP means this is the triangle. So let's draw it here separately. This is DAP. Say this is DAP. Along with that, the other triangle is EBP. So this is EBP. So this is the triangle EBP. This is E. This is B. This is P. Try to note down the equal parts. Look at the question. At the very beginning, AP is equal to BP given. Look at here. This AP is equal to this BP, this and this. So write the first thing as AP is equal to BP. This is the very first thing I can write given. Okay, this is the very first thing given. Apart from this, it is given that angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. BAD. Now where is BAD? Look at the figure. BAD. BAD means right from B, starting from B, then AD. BAD means this angle. So instead of writing B, we can write it the same angle from P also. BAD is the angle which can be written as PAD also. So which this one? PAD means this one. Instead of writing BAD, we can write PAD. That means the angle BAD is given equal with angle ABE. This is given. So instead of writing BAD, just I want to limit that angle within triangle DAP. So instead of starting from B, I can start it from P also. Here it is, PAD. So write angle PAD is equal to ABE. Now look at ABE. Look at ABE. Where is that? This starts from A. ABE. So similarly, instead of writing from A, I can write it from P. That is PBE. So here I can make it as PBE. Okay. So the same angle only. Just what I have done, instead of I want to limit that angle within this two triangle. This is PAD. Here it is PAD, and the other one is PBE. That is PBE. This one. So the angle has been limited to those two particular triangles. Next one, apart from this, one more data is given. Look at here, write down that data. The third, I have got two data, I need one more data for showing it congruent. Let's see this one, EPA. Observe it. Let's see this one, the angle EPA is given equal with angle DPB. This one, we will do little bit manipulation as we did in case of question number 6. Like that only we have to do little bit of manipulation here. What we have to do, as we used to do in question number 6, adding equals on both sides. Now have a look at the figure with respect to this one, EPA. Where is EPA? Look at here, EPA in this figure. EPA. EPA means, you just see, EPA means this one. EPA, this side. EPA. EPA angle is this one. Okay. Now if I observe this complete triangle DPA, here it is DPA. Here this part is missing. Some part of the complete angle is missing, as we used to do, as we discussed in our lectures. Look at here. Say this EP line. Let's see, this one is the EP line. For understanding point of view, I have drawn this one, EP line. Now only the for getting this complete angle APD, only this much is given here. This one, EPA means this one, EPA. For making this complete angle P, this part I have to add. That means this part is missing from the complete angle. That means this part is missing. Okay, so this part means EPD is missing. So for making complete APD angle, what I have to add? I have to add EPD. So I will, in the next line, I will add angle EPA plus angle EPD. I will add EPD. Like that, since I have added EPD here, I need to add on this side also, adding equals on both sides. So add DPB plus angle EPD. So adding equals on both sides. This is adding equals on both sides. Now look at this point. DPB. Look at DPB. Where is that? DPB. So DPB, the line is, that means the line divides the angle P into two parts. That means only this much is given. Now for getting, similarly, if I need to get the complete angle EPB, then what I have to do, like that here, I have to add this much. That means with this angle, with this much, if I add the EPD, I will get the complete angle. That means along with this much angle, if I add EPD, then it will give us EPB complete angle. So now I can write the complete name of the angle. EPA plus EPD means what? EPA plus EPD. Here you can see EPA plus EPD means I can write EPD. So here I should write EPD. EPD is equal to, here I can write EPB. So here in this case I can write EPB. B. Okay, so DPB plus EPD. Look at here. Here it is D. PB plus EPD means I can write BP or EPB. So write it EP angle EPB. After adding equals on both, I got EPB. And this one, what is the name of the angle? This one, APD. Okay. So here it is. Again, I am telling APD belongs to. Now look at this. APD. Where is APD? Forget about this one. After adding, I got APD angle. And forget about this one. I got the complete angle of this triangle. That is EPD. Now look. The two triangles that I have written here according to angle side angle rule. This one also angle side angle rule. I can write. Look at here. This is the angle. This is one more angle and this is the side. So according to angle side angle rule, both the triangles are congruent. So I can write now what I can write. Therefore I can write triangle DAP congruent. Triangle DAP congruent with triangle EBP. Angle side angle rule. Angle side angle rule. Okay, once again you just see DAP, this one DAP angle, this is the angle, then the side is included in between the two angles, and here also the side is included in between the two angles. That's why the rule I have used is angle side angle, where two angles of one triangle is equal to the two angles of other triangle, and the side which is included between the two angles is equal to the sides included between the two angles of the other triangle. So that is how I have showed that these two triangles are congruent. Once we are able to show that these two triangles are congruent, then directly we can write the second proof. What we are supposed to do, AD is equal to BD. AD is equal to BE. You just see here AD. Where is AD? You see in this triangle, look at this, watch this triangle properly. AD belongs to this triangle and B belongs to the other triangle. So therefore I can write AD is equal to BE according to CPCT. That is by CPCT I can write this one. Okay, since these two sides belongs to this triangle, AD and BE belongs to the two triangles, that's why we can write that both the triangles are congruent. Since congruent, we can write these two sides are equal, CPCT. So this is how we have to solve this type of questions. So as I discussed in the last class, question number 6, where I added equals on both sides for making the complete angle. In this question also I have to add, or we need to add equals on both sides for making the complete angle. Here in this case the complete angle was not given, and for this particular triangle also complete angle was not given, but this part was missing. This part is missing for for making the complete angle. Here you can see this part is making for making the complete angle P for angle this triangle, and for that particular triangle also same part is missing. That's why added equal on both sides. So like this we have to solve such kind of questions. Okay, just go through this question, try to note it down in your copy as well, and try to solve such type of questions. Okay, this is how we are supposed to solve this kind of questions. Okay, thank you.